How about color alay? It's, what is the color?
Pink.
Pink and
Yellow.
yellow. Very good, Jubel. Okay, so that is our sight. Okay, again, what is this one? Our
Eye.
okay, so our eyes is for sight. Putam teacher, sight. Putam teacher, Jubel, sight.
It's our nose. It's our mouth.
Yeah. No? Another thing is name 3 things I can see. Okay, what can you see in your room? Give me 3.
I can see a colorful purple.
Again? I didn't hear it, sorry. Okay, another one. Mom, okay, and the third one, you can see.
I can see an animal.
Okay, what animal? You said animal? Again, I didn't hear it. Can you say again, please? You can see, last one.
I can see the animal in the zoo.
Ah, okay, very good. So that are the 3 things that you can see. Very good. Okay, so next one is smell. Can you say smell?
We smell. We smell with our nose. We can smell both and people. No.
Okay, very
Two things that smells nice are two things that smell horrible.
okay. Where is your nose? Okay, how many holes in your nose? How many holes? How many circles in your nose? You have 2. Very good. Okay, we smell with our nose. Okay, we smell good food and good perfume. Okay, we can smell nice. Nice meaning good. Horrible meanings bad, like that. You smell bad. You do like that when you smell bad. Okay, so I have here okay, a perfume. Do you know what is a perfume? We used to put in our body like that. You know this one? We put in our body like that. How does it smell? Good or bad? How does, yeah, how does it smell? Perfume, good or bad? And it good? Good, very good. How about alcohol? Smell good or bad? Alcohol.
Smell bad.
Smells bad. Okay, how about your sock? Socks.
Smell
Smells
bad.
smells bad. Okay. Okay. Here, Chibel, you are going to name 2 things that smells nice or smells good. Okay. Can you give me 2 things that smells good? Have,
I can
smell, huh?
flowers.
Flowers. Very good. What other else? One more.
A leaf.
A leaf. Okay. How about two things that smells horrible or bad. Two things. Have
the flowers that smell good.
Okay, two things that smells bad. Smells bad, not good. Yeah, two things that smells bad. Can you name? Example is trash. Do you know what is a trash? Yeah, it smells good or bad?
Bad.
Bad, very good. How about vinegar? Smells good or bad?
Bad.
Bad also, very good. Okay, so again, we use our nose to, what is the use of our nose?
We can smell.
Smell, very good. We can smell using our nose. Very, very good. Okay, next one is our hearing. Okay,
Hearing.
you say
We
hearing.
hear with our ears. We can hear a lot of sound. Two things I can hear are
Okay, so hearing is with the use of our ears. How many ears do you have? How many ears do you have?
I have 2 ears.
Two ears, left and right ears. Okay, so when you talk with your friend, what is the use to hear them?
We can hear them sound.
Yes, sound. Okay, we can also hear sounds. What is your favorite sound or music, Chibel? What is your favorite music?
My favorite music
Is, can you sing for me, please? Can you sing?
my favorite
Think, 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 think.
my favorite thing is
Okay, can you sing for
my
me?
song is
Okay, sing. Can you sing? Can you sing? Can you sing it for teacher?
that.
Yes, okay. I want to hear. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
And he needs I'm always down all alone. I wonder how, I wonder, I wonder if they had the stormy stand together all day and no I'm whole forever visible
The love that
in
seems so
the
far.
so I say a little prayer. Hope my dreams will take me there. When the sun
To
is
say
one
once again, love
is
overseas.
to court to find a place I
The most when the fields are green
love.
once again. My
My
love. Yeah, very good. Very, very good. So that is, what is the title of that song again? My Love, right? By Westlife. Yes, very good. Okay, I love hearing Chibel sing. Okay, so here again, name two things I can hear. In your house, what you can hear in your house? You hear?
Then
What you can hear in your house? Give me two things that you can hear in your house.
I can hear a sound.
Again, a sound. What sound? What sound is that, Jabel? Okay, very good. Okay, next one is tongue. Where is your tongue? Tongue and mouth.
We can confirm. There is two things I like to. The taste of two things I don't like the taste of
Okay, very good. So we taste with our tongue and mouth. Okay, so if you are going to eat mango, what is the taste of the mango?
It's red.
What is the
It's
taste?
sweet.
Yeah, sweet. Very good. How about manao? What is the taste of manao?
It's
You do
sour.
like, yes, sour, right? You do like that when you eat manao. How about chili or pepper?
It's spicy.
Yes, spicy. Pet, right? Pet in Thai. Okay, we taste different flavors using our tongue and mouth. Okay, so here you are going to name two things I like. Okay, what are
And
the two things that you like?
we can taste.
Okay, so what are the things that you like? What is the things that you like the taste?
I like to taste of ice cream and chocolate.
Again?
I like to taste of ice cream and chocolate.
Yeah, ice cream and chocolate. They are
Sweet
sweet.
and sour.
Yeah, sweet and sour. Very good. Number two, the two things that I don't like the taste, meaning you don't like the taste.
Spicy and sour.
Yeah, spicy and sour. You don't like. Okay. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
Chicken. Wow, chicken dry. KFC, McDonald's, Texas, or what other else? KFC? Which one? KFC, McDonald's, or Texas? What do you